What is the difference between material and shared material in Unity's mesh renderer? In Unity, the mesh renderer uses material to define how an object looks. But there is a key difference between material and shared material. When you use renderer.material, Unity creates a new instance of material just for that object. If you change its color or texture, only that game object is affected. Others stays same. But with the renderer.sharedMaterial, you are modifying the original material asset. That means every game object using that material updates instantly. Let's understand the difference with the example. Suppose you have two cubes and you have assigned the material name red material, which has a red color, to the mesh render of the both cubes. Now we attach this cube to one of the cubes. In this cube, we have changed the color of material and shared material's color property. If we run this by setting the use shared material to false in the inspector, only the cube with the script will return to blue. The other cube stays red. A new material instance was created for this cube. If we run this by setting use shared material to true in the inspector, both the cube turn to green. The shared material was modified. So remember, use material for object-specific changes at the runtime. Use shared material when you want to global changes to all the objects sharing that material.